sunset lies the home of the dragons.
Wow.
Aye. Legends tell of ships that sailed too close to it, only to drop off the edge of the world, never to be seen again. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world. Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons come.
Even night furies?
Especially night furies.
Those are scary.
Don't you worry. One day I'll find the hidden world and seal it up, so that people and dragons will fight no more.